So this is a video talking about Kdenlive and some of the audio pops and crackles and ticks that you get at the start of an audio clip. It looks to only happen after you've sliced an audio clip and you line them up. When it's going from an audio to complete blankness back into an audio, sometimes you get a pop. And I've really noticed that when especially when I'm recording inside of Kdenlive. So here are a couple other people that are experiencing the same problems. This is a post on their website, audio pops, ticks, crackling at the beginning of clips. They talk about it a lot. You look at this, another forum post, which is the same thing. And I got another one here, which also the guy's having the same problem. And this is back in 2017. The other ones are from 2019, 2018, but it looks like the software is still having the same problem. So I'm using version 19.12.0. So by the time you're watching this video, there could be another version out that fixes this problem, but I have found a way to kind of work around this crackling and popping problem. So now we're inside Kdenlive now, and I have a bunch of audio clips lined up, and I found one that is doing the crackling and popping. So we're gonna cut the music here and listen to that. This is a test. Okay, and now how to fix that. What I've been doing is it seems to be just when it starts on the audio clip. So if we go to the effects here and we choose a fade in effect, we drag it onto the audio clip, and on that you will see the fade effect stretched across the clip. If you just grab the little dot here and pull it right to the beginning of the clip so that it's not cutting off the sound volume of the clip, instead it's cutting off that initial pop. So just there, and then if you play it, I want you to listen now. Let's cut the music again. This is a test. As you can hear, the pop has been muted. So that is my quick workaround for the audio popping and cracking inside Kdenlive.